আমি তুলতে চাই। একই ছবি দুই ক্যামেরাতে রাখলে একটা ক্যামেরা যদি পড়েও যায় অসুবিধা হবে না। একটু থামবো বুঝছিস।
Generator is 70 feet tall. Enough power for about 65,000 homes. This generator produces 2.4 megawatts of electricity, but its actual liberty that weighs 225 tons. 600 tons. And down to the far wall. With the business in mind, the one here next to me. Make sure you can see. Bye-bye, thank you. Make sure.
You should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, now where do you go? Hey you, you should let it flow. I do think you care. Do you hear my prayer? Hey you, I'm with you.
Massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons.
Have a great day. Thank you for the trip. Okay, thank you.